Thank you for choosing 360 Video Doorbell. What's in the box? Setting up the product in the app. Search Bots Lab in the App Store or Google Play to download the app and follow the instructions to install. Then click the app icon. For registration, fill in the email account and password. Add 360 Doorbell by clicking the plus at the top right corner, or press Add Device, and choose the doorbell. Follow the instructions on the app to complete the setup. Plug in the base station and wait until the light blinks green. Press the sync for 3 seconds until you hear beep. Then prepare the doorbell. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until you hear,
Welcome to 360 Video Doorbell.
click Next to connect network. Enter your Wi-Fi network name and password. If you have an iPhone, switch to the WLAN settings and choose Bots Lab Network and return to the app page. Then wait for the device to connect to the network. Finally, just select the location of your device. And you're ready to go. If you are an Android user, just click Next. Then the app will connect your device automatically. Enter your Wi-Fi network name and password. Then wait for the device to connect to the network. The doorbell has been connected to Wi-Fi successfully, and you're ready to go.